I know Vybz Kartel, but I'm not his fan.
You're not his fan?
Yeah.
Drunkard. Woo! I didn't know that.
My heart is
Your heart is?
with you.
My heart. Oh, are you single? Sorry.
No, I'm not single.
Sija penetrate, amenifanya na ngara, Lord amenifanya niko peda ndani na nasheni. Yani mwema, mwingine wa kufanya usiwe kawe. Na kambako nikinini ninakupamia out of 10. I love that golden eyes.
Oh.
Of course that the eyes don't lie.
Yes.
Who's got those bad guys? Oh, Lord, child is lying on me.
Love me.
How much?
You love me so much.
How much?
I'm back in the streets of Eastleigh and I met my great friends, my fellow YouTubers, my fellow TikTokers, my fellow, hey, everything. Anyway, introduce. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Claudia Walks, back in the streets like I never left. And guess what? I hope you will enjoy this video. So if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, please do so. It's free. Road to 10,000 subscribers. So guys, follow me as we explore these streets together. So today I'm meeting my friends actually. Hi bro. Hi. They are busy but anyway. Hi bro. Have you ever appeared on my videos? Have you ever been ushaikuwa kwa video yangu? Imagine leo utaapia kwa video yangu. Hebu wasalimie kidogo. Mwambie hi.
Hi.
Unaitwa nani? What do you normally do here in Eastleigh? Then meet our only Eastleigh musician. Our Eastleigh musician, Mash. Msanii. Hebu wasalimie pale.
Hi my fans. My name is Madisha Miles everywhere, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Madisha Miles, follow me on any social media. You found my music, and for more information just visit there. You see me.
Do that again. There is too much noise.
Oh my God. Yeah. Anyway, itabidi uongeze sauti because of this
Acha imalize reverse alafu ndio tuendelee.
Oh, it's okay.
So this is Eastleigh for you people. The streets of Eastleigh. The streets of Eastleigh. This track is reversing. That's why we are holding. We can't. It's reversing, and that's too much noise. Yeah? The track that is reversing, and the noise cannot allow us to record right now. We wait. Anyway, let's continue. So, hata mimi sina bahati. I'm back in the streets of Eastleigh and I met my great friends, my fellow YouTubers, my fellow TikTokers, my fellow, hey, everything. Anyway, introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Madisha Miles. I'm a upcoming artist. I'm a musician. I'm also a content creator. I'm also a songwriter, also a singer. Even to rap, I can rap. Yeah. Follow me on my social media. In social media, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, at Madisha Miles.
Madisha Miles.
Madisha Miles.
You are an artist, right?
Yeah, man.
You love music so much. I personally, I won't lie. Me, I'm not fan of music, but I'm trying to fit. Okay?
Yes.
We are talking about Vybz Kartel. You know Vybz Kartel is out now.
Let me say that I know Vybz Kartel, but I'm not his fan.
You're not his fan?
Yeah.
Why are you not his fan?
Because I'm a musician, yes. But my most songs, I'm talking like love song, so that wacha tuseme ya mapenzi.
So, love songs, eh?
Love songs like bongo, but when you go to Vybz Kartel, it talks about let's say the drill, yeah, things like that.
So the reason why you don't like Kartel is just the difference, the kind of music you normally do.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else apart from that you don't like about Vybz Kartel?
Let's say Vybz Kartel. Since I began my music, I love let's say Tanzania musicians like Diamond, but people from Nigeria, from US, I have never loved them by them.
Why?
Yeah.
Why? Any genuine reason?
Okay, most of them are, let's say, are drunkard.
They are drunkard. I didn't know that. Honestly, I'm learning. I didn't know that. Anything else?
There's more, but you cannot talk.
Yes, we can.
There.
You have a lot to talk, but you can't talk on the camera. Anyway, we'll talk behind the scenes. Anyway, Maisha Mike, since you love love songs, and you are an artist.
I'm an artist.
Kamoja kangu kasafi, just sing for me one love song.
One love song.
Yes.
Eh? What you say?
I'm saying, since you have specialized, you do love music, can you sing for us for me? Yes, dedicate one for me.
Okay. I love that golden eyes. Of course, that the eyes don't lie.
Yes.
Who's got those bad guys? Oh, left side is fly, man. Mina pendo kinishika mbafu ndefu. Ninafanya ninacheka. Yeah. I'm also do gospels.
Kamoja ka gospel.
Yeah. Check sija penetrate, amenifanya na ngara, God Lord amenifanya niko peda ndani na nasheni. Yani mwema, ndio wakufanya siwekawe. Nakampako nikinini, ninakupamia out of 10, nakupa baba, nakutasamia uko kuti, that's why nakuzamia.
That's so amazing. Actually, you are very talented. Okay, if you are watching this video, guys, kindly follow go and follow him. You can still say your name too again.
Madisha Miles.
Madisha Miles.
Niimbia yako kale kanasemanga stori za watu hapana, nimekaa tu kwa kona na pombe yangu tu.
Ati unasema nini?
Kale kasonga kanasemanga stori za watu hapana, nimekaa tu kwa kona na pombe yangu tu.
Okay, sawa. Unataka kutimbia kamoja? You want to sing for us one song?
Hata nitawaimbia siku nyingine. Wacha niende. Tutakuja huku.
Sawa. Make sure guys you subscribe to his YouTube channel. He's very talented. We are here to support each other, and if you're watching from Madisha Miles, make sure you also subscribe to my YouTube channel, man. You
hata wewe tumekupenda madam.
Umenipenda.
Hai sana.
You love me.
So much.
You love me so much.
So much.
Why do you love me?
My heart is
Your heart is?
with you.
My heart is with you. Haya, kuja tuwadanzie kidogo, tudanzie mafansi wangu, waambie vile unampenda. Come kuja. Hey, guys, this guy loves me so much. Anyway, sawa, nitawaambia unanipenda. Poa.
Sawa. Unaona?
Wila
nitapata na kasitu. Wewe kuja tu tutakula na wewe.
So if you get money, I come we share with you.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, bro. Pia mimi nitakutafuta.
There is a big pub there we can go and
yes,
dance.
We dance. Okay.
We eat. We drink.
So you want to take me out?
Out.
Okay. I will appreciate. Sawa?
Yeah.
Sawa. Tuonana siku nyingine, wacha nitembee. I interact with more people. Sawa? Thank you. guys, let's go this way. The streets are very busy. Don't know which route to go. Let's follow this. Let's follow this route. Let's follow this route.
Yeah, umerudi.
Nimerudi. Wasalimie kidogo basi.
Utakangi salamu.
Utakangi salamu. Amen. Wambua, how do you find these streets actually? Can you?
As usual, these streets are vibe. If you need a vibe.
Would you like to visit again?
Yeah, I'll come again and again. I don't mind coming back.
So guys, this is Eastleigh, and it's very beautiful. You can see the view. Beautiful malls. Actually, they are full. If you want to get anything in retail, in wholesale, come to Eastleigh. Are you okay? Sijazoea. Unaenda wapi? Kuja. Nishike hapa. Nitakuongelesha leo. Kwanza leo nawapatia hadi ya free. Kuja.
Ubero mali mbai. Ayakia.
Unaenda wapi?
Jana mwanzo anaenda. Yana nini?
Wapi tutakuwa tunakuja kuelekea. Si bosi wandawa ni watazizia. Aya, sawa. Nitakuja acha nipige maraundi. Hi bro. You look good by the way. Can I take a picture with you? Okay. You can see how Kenya we have cute men, eh? If you are watching this and you are a lady. Oh, are you single? Sorry.
No, I'm not single.
You guys, you are not lucky. Anyway, today we are talking about music, eh? Do you love music?
Bro, wait a minute. You can't be taken twice. No. But you can be taken for granted.
Anyway, do you love music, eh? Which type of all kind of music do you love?
Napenda muziki ya Kenya.
Ya Kenya tu. Aya, tuonyeshe kamoja. Sasa ni nini? Wewe si muibi. You love music but you don't know. Anyway, tunanijua pale YouTube Claudia Works. Sasa si wache tuende. Ni sawa tu. Leo ni sawa.
Don't forget to subscribe, follow and like.
Yes, are you on TikTok?
Yeah, I'm on TikTok.
Okay guys, I'm trying to. You follow him on TikTok only and don't send him messages. He's not single. You follow him only follow. Sindio? Okay, give them your handle, yeah?
At Mickey underscore.
Mickey? Mickey underscore. Imetosha hivyo? Mickey underscore. Go and follow him. Sawa, hata mimi sina bahati. Sawa. Mwanga sawa. Sasa tunakuita nani pale? Pale tunakuita nani? Wasalimia kidogo. Actually you have a nice smile. Wasalimia. Hii smile yote iwezi enda mahali. Wacha nikuje pande hiyo. Wacha nikuje pande hiyo. Wanakuita nani? Samuel. Samuel, naona napiga biashara mzuri hapa Eastleigh. Anyway, if you are watching this video and you normally come to shop in Eastleigh at a cheap price, eh? Those who have babies, those who are expecting, anyway. This one goes for how much? 150 bob. At a discount. It's discounted actually. So make sure you come and promote them. These are my people. All of them. They are my people. Look. Cute men here. Cute men anyway. You love music?
Yes.
Unapenda music type gani? Bongo, reggae. Unapenda reggae? Bongo music. Gengeton. Kamoja kasafi kidogo tu pale utuonyeshe. You guys, today you are letting me down, man. Why? Because I'm wimby. No, Muimbi. These guys don't want to sing for me today. I don't know why. Anyway, tuonyeshe kadogo. Anyway, sawa. Not now. Aya, sawa sawa. Thank you so much.